Okay, stop what you're doing and hang out with me for a second, okay? Just pause, take a big deep breath, and come hang out with me for a second. We're gonna do a little exercise to get you grounded in your body, get you grounded in the present moment, bring you into the power of here and now, unite your parts of consciousness, and just shake some stress loose from your physical body, okay? So stand up nice and tall and proud. Stand up with me, soul friends. Okay. Standing up with me? Okay, what we're gonna do is gently jump up and down, very gently, like you're not coming off the ground a lot, you're just kind of almost coming up on the balls of your feet and barely lifting your feet off the ground, okay? Just little jumps up and down, and you're gonna let your arms shake. You want your arms to be relaxed, so you don't wanna have like your arms tense and moving. You wanna relax your arms and kind of wiggle them from your shoulders, okay? And then while we do it, we're gonna take really big, deep inhales. And then when we breathe out, we're gonna make sound, okay? So it's gonna be like this. Okay, do it with me. Do it with me. Let yourself feel silly. Bring yourself in the moment. Let go of something heavy that's happening inside of you. Let something go and breathe in some deep, expansive love right now. Okay, ready? Okay, so we're gonna take big, deep breaths in while we gently jump up and down and let our arms shake, okay? And then we'll make sound when we exhale, okay? Breathe in. Breathe in. We're gonna make sounds when you breathe out. And just let energy move in your body. Let energy leave your body. Let energy flow through your body. Bring yourself into your body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Make sure your arms are not tensing. You don't want to have your arms tense. You're gently wiggling them from your shoulders. Instead of wiggling them from your arms, you're kind of wiggling them from up here, okay? So make sure all of this is relaxed instead of tensing up. Make sure this is relaxed. You're moving your arms from kind of up here more. Okay, ready? Breathe in. Breathe out. Let stress leave your body and let other energies flow through your body while you bring yourself into this present moment and just connect with yourself here and now. Breathe in. Deep and long as you can, and then breathe out. All right, play with that a little, shake it loose. Your legs might be a little sore, maybe do a little calf stretch or something. Just bring yourself into the here and now. Feel the power of your own presence. Connect with yourself. Breathe deeply. Let something go. Get the energy flowing. It helps in really powerful ways. Thanks for hanging out with me, soul friends, and tuning into this little healing journey exercise. I love you and I appreciate you, and I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day.